We're freestyling it here. So that's going to add a nice kind of dark earthiness.
I added a lot of that. Sorry, I thought it was something else.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. How about we add? Okay, we're going dark and dank. Let's add some epimedium, also known as, you want to know what the common name is? All right, so this is what I love about herbs. So there's those phrases, Hakuna Matata, like you kind of get the energy of the herb. Other ones, Shadavari, there's kind of a phrase about it. It says, "For she who has 100 husbands is both soothing and calming."
You would need
Gives you an idea of about what that herb's about. And then sometimes it's just literally the common name that gives you an idea of what it's about. So epimedium that you just added is also known as horny goat weed. Yeah, which is also a little bit of insight of, you know, how did people know? How did they know? How did they come to the wisdom that they have? Right? Like in our modern society, we're all about science. Yeah. And that's great. That's good. You know, but there's another way of knowing. A few different ways of knowing. There's literal observations. So in the case of horny goat weed, what do you think they observed?
Trial and error.
Right? So why do the goats keep going to that planet? I want some of that too. Yeah. The old, I'll have what she said.